So, now onto the one of the sub pages, the room design changes. Due to the way rooms are set up in Link's Awakening, some older room layouts can be found. The old layouts are covered up with different tunnels. These older layouts are hidden in all versions of the game. Rooster statues don't have the fate they used to. Do roosters eat flowers? The flowers around the rooster statue are originally bushes. Homeless fisherman. A brand new house, door not included. Oh. The fisherman's house is built on top of 6 tiles of grass, probably here before they remembered to give the poor guy a home. Billy version. You found some secret grass. Keep it away from the police. Yep, flowers. More flower conversion, this time from grass. You shoot right down in a barrel. Who built stairs on top of a waterfall? The stairs on this screen cover up another waterfall, which would have been used as a one-way path down the mountains. Since the lack of staircase makes it impossible to go up, there might have been a different way to climb total heights in early versions. Chickens only. Stairs added for your convenience. Another one-way drop change to a staircase. Proof further supporting the different total heights layout. Inviting. Anyone know what animal that's supposed to be? Yana desserts entrance once featured 2 palm trees in the center. This was likely before the animal's power tiles were in the game. Everyone, tell Kate. I will just waltz right in and out. Swept under the rug. I'll sit there. This room's chest has changed from being out in the open to being after all enemies are destroyed. In the final room layout, every chest is hidden by the decorative tiles. Endless tunnel. Don't have the flippers? Too bad. I'm free! The early layout is impossible to cross from the north without a flipper. You can still cross from the south with a Pegasus boots. Yes, I know the trick. It's really helpful. Early version, catfish small. It's a bit cramped in here. Thank you, bottle gods. The empty chest room had some item bottles added for the final version. Early version, 1 head. 3 heads, several? Minor cosmetic change. 2 more statues were added to the lower left of this room. A tricky puzzle. Thanks, I needed more armor to throw at the chest. More bottles were added to the background in the final. I hate stairs. Lava train. Probably just changed for convenience purposes. The early layout, you can't look at the next room unless you go up the stairs. The final version's layout lets you do just that. Nasty. Potholes covered. This room has a lot more pits than what's seen in the final. They were covered up to both make room easier and to make more room for the stone slab old statue. Eagle Tower boss fight. The Eagle Tower boss fight was supposed to have animated clouds in the background instead of the steel clouds that finally got used. A tile layout for this is loaded on every map transition from dungeon to overworld, and even vice versa. Currently it doesn't seem to be utilized at all. Glitchy? Normal, I guess. Screenshot of the deluxe version. It seems this part wasn't even concerned to be done for the deluxe version, so the clouds don't get a single color on map. Well, see you guys at the next subpage.